In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare Xero financial statements. First, we're going to start by logging into your Xero account. So go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in the Xero login page. Once you're there, you'll see the login button. Give that a click. Now, you'll need your username and password handy. Enter those credentials carefully. Remember, accuracy here is key to gaining access to your account. After you've input all your details, proceed by clicking the login button to access your Xero dashboard. With your dashboard in front of you, focus your attention on the main navigation options. You'll want to locate the accounting tab. Once you find it, click on it. This will display a drop-down menu with several options, and from there choose reports. You'll be greeted with a list of different financial statements and reports to choose from. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to generate a profit and loss report, which is also commonly referred to as an income statement. Selecting profit and loss will open a new page where you can specify the report's parameters. It's time to adjust all necessary settings to suit your needs. Pay attention to the date range. This helps in selecting the specific period you wish to review. Whether it's a monthly review or a yearly comparison, make sure the dates align with your reporting needs. Additionally, if you'd like, you can compare the current data with that from 2 years ago to gain deeper insights. Once you're satisfied with your chosen parameters, hit the update button to refresh the report with the chosen criteria. As the report generates, take a moment to ensure everything looks accurate and reflects what you need. This is where you'll see a detailed breakdown of your income and expenses, which provides invaluable insights into the financial health of your business. Now that you've updated and reviewed your report, let's move on to saving and exporting. This step is crucial for record keeping and sharing your data with other stakeholders, like accountants or business partners. Click on Save As to create a permanent record of this specific report. You have the option to save it in a format that best serves your needs, whether it's keeping it within Xero, converting to a PDF for easy distribution, or choosing other available formats. Finally, if you need to export the report, the export button gives you options to download the file. Choose the format that works best for your requirements, whether it's a PDF, an Excel spreadsheet, or any other available format that your team finds most versatile. And there you have it, you've successfully prepared a financial statement in Xero. With these steps, managing your business finances becomes not only efficient but also more insightful, allowing you to make data-driven decisions confidently. Keep practicing these steps and soon you'll be an expert at navigating Xero for your financial needs.